Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nexfan Air is probably one of the most innovative and convenient cooling solutions you can find. In this video, we're diving deep into the Nexfan Portable Air Conditioner, exploring its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. We'll cover everything from its portability and ease of use to its cooling capabilities and energy efficiency, so you can decide if this is the perfect personal cooling device for you. Number 5. SereneLife 3-in-1 Portable AC with Remote. This is the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner. It's designed to keep you cool and comfortable wherever you go. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even the garage. The unit is lightweight and easy to move around. It comes with rolling wheels, so you can effortlessly take it from room to room. It's designed for convenience. This AC offers 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifier, and fan. The default mode is cooling, providing immediate relief. You can easily switch between modes to suit your needs. Not only does it cool, but it also reduces humidity. This helps to create a healthier environment by minimizing allergens. It's a great feature for any home. It comes with a remote control for easy operation. You can adjust the settings from across the room. It includes a digital touch button control panel as well. With 8,000 BTU cooling power, it can cool rooms up to 215 plus SQ-foot. It operates quietly, ensuring it won't disturb you. It provides effective and efficient cooling. What we like? This unit offers a convenient 3-in-1 experience, combining cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes. It also helps to reduce humidity, making your space more comfortable. If you are looking for a versatile solution to manage both temperature and humidity, this is a great choice. What people say. The air conditioner is very easy to set up and use. It is very portable and can be moved from room to room easily. The air conditioner is very effective at cooling a small room. Number 4. Midea 3-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner. Introducing the Midea Portable Air Conditioner. It can cool spaces up to 175 square feet. This unit also provides fan and dehumidification functions. Enjoy the simplicity of digital controls. It has an easy-to-read LED display and a remote control. You can easily set the time, temperature, and mode. Installation is a breeze. Simply roll it to your desired location and attach the hose and window brackets. Then, turn it on and enjoy the cooling. It features a removable and reusable air filter. This helps protect your family from dust and pet hairs. Remember to clean it weekly. Midea is the world's largest provider of air conditioning products. This product comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. You can trust its quality. The package includes an exhaust hose, window slider adapters, and various seals and brackets. Everything you need for setup is included. What we like? The Midea unit is designed for effortless use with its digital controls and remote. It also features a washable air filter, ensuring cleaner air. If you value ease of use and a trusted brand, this is the perfect option. What people say. The air conditioner is very easy to set up and use. It is very portable and can be moved from room to room easily. The air conditioner is very effective at cooling a small room. Number 3. SereneLife 8,000 BTU Portable AC with Dehumidifier. This portable air conditioner offers 8,000 BTU of cooling power, perfect for rooms up to 300 square feet. It operates efficiently with a low noise level, ensuring a comfortable environment. It features 3 operating modes: cooling, dehumidifier, and fan. This versatile unit maximizes your comfort at home or in the office, providing customized climate control. The built-in dehumidifier removes up to 1.1 liters of moisture per hour. This feature makes the space more comfortable and helps reduce allergens. Adjust settings effortlessly with the included remote control. You can modify temperature, fan speed, timer, and mode from anywhere in the room with ease. Featuring a stylish, modern look and a freestanding design, this portable air conditioner fits well in any room. It includes easy roll wheels for mobility and a complete window mount kit for quick installation. What we like? This SereneLife model offers the convenience of Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to manage settings from anywhere. It also covers larger rooms and includes a built-in dehumidifier. If you like smart home integration and need to cool a larger space, this is the one for you. What people say. The air conditioner is very easy to set up and use. It is very portable and can be moved from room to room easily. The air conditioner cools down a room quickly. Number 2. Replacement filter for Ultra Air and Nexfan cooler. This replacement filter is designed specifically for the Ultra Air cooler and Nexfan cooler. It's important to note that this filter is not compatible with the Pure Chill cooler. Make sure to check your air cooler model before purchasing. This filter features an upgraded design using high-quality sponge material. This enhances its water absorption capabilities, leading to a longer lifespan. It effectively captures impurities and dust from the air. With this replacement filter, you can restore your air cooler's performance to its original state. It ensures that the air in your home remains clean and fresh throughout the day. The filter utilizes a convenient pull-up design, making the replacement process incredibly easy. You can quickly and effortlessly swap out the old filter for a new one. The filters are washable and reusable, promoting both health and sustainability. The filter plate is easily disassembled, allowing for convenient and thorough cleaning. What we like. This replacement filter is easy to install and maintain. It is washable and reusable, which is very economic. If you want to keep your air cooler running efficiently and maintain clean air, you should consider this. What people say. It fits and works as it should. We have the classic Arctic air and love being able to swap out the filter instead of waiting for the first one to freeze. I found that if I put ice cubes in the water reservoir along with some water and use the filter fresh out of the freezer, the amount of cold air is amazing. You can see the cold air as it leaves the front of the Arctic air box. Number 1. Dreo 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Beat the heat with this powerful air conditioner. It can cool up to 14 feet away, providing instant relief on hot days. You can also customize the temperature to your liking. Enjoy a peaceful environment with its quiet operation. The noise isolation system reduces noise to just 45 dB, making it perfect for bedrooms or offices. You won't be disturbed while you sleep or work. Say goodbye to messy drainage with this innovative design. The patented system automatically evaporates excess water, even in humid environments. It's convenient and hassle-free. Take control with smart features. You can use voice commands with Siri, Alexa, and Google Home. The app allows you to monitor and customize your cooling experience. This unit offers multiple functions to suit your needs. Choose from cool, fan, or dry modes, with further customization within each mode. It's perfect for any situation. Enjoy easy setup and portability. Smooth caster wheels allow you to move it effortlessly. It includes window panels and a hose for easy installation. Get the support you need. Expert customer service is available to assist you with any questions. They are ready to help you with product guidance. What we like. This unit features a drainage-free cooling system, eliminating the need for manual draining. It also offers smart climate control via app and voice assistance, and operates quietly. If you are looking for a hassle-free and smart cooling experience, this is the one for you. What people say. This 8K BTU Dreo portable unit puts out colder air than all 6 of the previous AC units I've owned. And those used more power too, 10K BTU each. The swing feature is also very effective at wafting the cold air all over the room, without need of a separate fan to move it all around. Very, very effective unit. The Android app is great, easier to use than the remote control, especially in the dark. I also like how you can turn off the unit's display completely, and the chime sound, to make it easier to sleep. And the sleep setting is actually to make the compressor quieter and turn off and on again less frequently, making it easier to sleep through. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.